Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do November monthly reading for the sign Cancer, water sign. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Cancer, let's see your messages for the month of November. Our first card for the reading is Justice and Ace of Pentacles. Okay, this card, Ten of Swords. Yeah, someone want new beginnings with the other person. It could be you or your person. Yeah, commitment, second chance. Some cycles are ended between both of you. Ten of Swords to Justice. Yeah, someone asking second chance. It could be you or your person. Some new beginnings, some cycles ending, some new beginnings are going to be begin. Ace of Pentacles and Justice, definitely long term commitment. Someone want to commit now. Knight of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. One person in this connection have strong emotions for the other person because Queen of Pentacles with the Knight of Cups. It could be you or your person. I think it's you. You have strong emotion for your person. Cancer, Knight of Cups. Yeah, you have strong emotions. And Queen of Pentacles, you are very sharing and giving person in this connection, and a lot of effort who is putting in this connection is you. And Knight of Wands, I think someone is guarded up in this connection. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. I think it's your person or not. Let's see. Okay, who is this person? We will get clarity at the end of the reading. Five of Cups, for some there is separation, that's why second chance. Asking second chance. Six of Cups, yeah, reconciliation. Tower, yeah, something big happened between both of you, some tower moment, or it is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, Five of Cups with tower moment, definitely there is separation between both of you for some, and they one person want reconciliation. Yeah, because Justice with Ace of Pentacles, definitely commitment. Who is waiting for commitment? Definitely it is coming. Yeah, separation, reconciliation, some tower moment, separation. Let's see some more. Four of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Princess of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Cancer. Yes. Four of Cups. Who is this? I think it's your person. Your person not accepted the cup of love which is offered by you in past. They are feeling very sad, I think. Four of Cups, something. And Princess of Swords, some spying. The spying is going between both of you. One person is spying on the other person on social media. And Princess of Swords, sometimes the one person in this connection is very thought minded. They always thinking about the ideas, new ideas, intuitive. One person like this, they're making their time for their selves only. One person in this, I think it's your person, because you are very emotional, you are very caring, and you are very giving, Cancer. Yeah, the one person who putting a lot of effort. Seven of Pentacles is you. So let's see your person current feelings and action, then we will get clarity. Your person current feelings. King of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Three of Swords. Yeah, they are very heartbroken without you. After the separation, you walked away. If you walked away, definitely they are feeling heartbroken right now. After the separation, they realize you both. Yeah, they are very passionate about you, King of Wands, and now they want to offer equal give and take, because in past there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now they want to offer equal give and take to this connection. But it is too late. Yes, for some. For some, definitely there is chance for reconciliation because Six of Cups with Justice card. Definitely for some there is reconciliation. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Cancer, Judgment, yeah, they want second. Knight of Wands, Nine of Swords. Yeah, your person wants second chance. They are in this energy, Nine of Swords. They are in anxiety, depression, thinking about you a lot. After the separation, they realize you both. Yeah, they are coming back with passionate energy. They are very, very passionate about you. But King of Wands is here, Knight of Wands is here. But a Knight of Wands energy is in and out your life. This is not stable. Be careful before giving another chance to your person. If your person is genuine, there is no wrong to give another chance. If it is not, so think again, depending upon your situation. At the end of the day, decision is yours depending upon your situation. This is just a way. This is just a message for you. Yeah, your person wants second chance. They want to offer equal give and take this time. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Connection cards. The World. Some cards are fell down. Okay, I'm not taking all those. Only one card, the World. And the second card, Ace of Wands. Two of Swords. The Empress. Yeah, your person want new beginning with you, Ace of Swords. Communication, truth coming out. Some definitely will be communicate in near future. The World, this could be long distance relationship. You both love in different cities, states or countries. Two of Swords. Still one person is at some crossroads in this connection. I think it's you, Cancer, to give this person another chance or not. Are you both at some crossroads? You both have to make some decision regarding this connection. The Empress. But I think you stand by your power. Empress. It's you, Cancer. The World. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. Ace of Swords. New beginnings, truth coming out. Yeah, your person is coming back to you. It's up to you to give second chance or not. It's totally up to you. They want to come towards you. They want second chance. So let's see your overall energy. Princess of Cups. Cancer, the Lovers and Three of Pentacles. Yeah, you want partnership with your person. Yes. And because there is love between both of you, you still love your person. And Princess of Cups, you are very intuitive and you are taking decisions depending upon your intuition and your thoughts. Definitely trust your intuition and make decision, because Lovers sometimes is also intimacy. If there is a emotional balance between both of you, it is good. And Three of Pentacles, if it is no collaboration between both of you, think once, because partnership and equal give and take is important in relationship, and respect also. So it's up to you totally. But you are in this energy. Queen of Cups. Very good energy. Let's see your person overall energy for the November month. Wheel of Fortune. The Hangman. Ten of Swords. I think it's your person. Ten of Swords. Some cycles ending. They want new beginnings with you. Rebirth. Hangman. They are spiritual awakening. Wheel of Fortune, things are turning their favor. Definitely they are coming back to you and they are spiritual awakened also, because the Hangman is here. And Ten of Swords. Yes, they want new beginnings with you, Cancer. It's up to you totally, Cancer, because they are coming back for second chance. Depending upon your situation, you have to make decision, because in past, Yeah, in parts there is no equal give and take. Your person concentrating on their career and giving time to their career. If it is their career, not take so much serious. If it is third party, definitely take and think seriously about it, because if it is third party, leave it. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. You will get all my video notifications. Bye.